guys, update sa among bunbon. He watered the plant and then he asked a reward. You know what he want, guys? Mamoon naman, because he ran out of mamoon. Ay, look at our bonbon helping us watering the plants. This is our garden, guys, mini garden in front of our house. Look at that. We need to remove the bulb up, as you can see, and the second one, guys, the original one, because we need to save electricity. And look, my nephew, he's still working on his bamboo thing. So yeah, and look at my bonbon, shout out. So he helped us, guys, no? And me, I'm just done as well burning the garbage. And then my mom right there, this is what I really appreciate, guys. I really love also right now, because I'm very happy, because look, even how hard the life, you know what, guys, I have more problems, but look at this is also really grateful, really nice, absolutely pretty. You're living without polluted air. And look at our bonbon, he still keep watering the plant. Good job, bonbon. Pray for me for more blessing, bonbon, because I can buy more mamoon. Look at my bonbon. Hi, Bon. Good job, bonbon. Love you, be. Give me thumbs up, guys. Evening na gajud, no? Gabiin na.